In this video, we are going to see that if you want to represent different states in different symbols, instead of circles or instead of just highlighting of the colors, you want to change the symbols to any shape. How we can do that? Let's see. So first of all, we will take the copy of the first map where we have just highlighted different regions in different colors. So to duplicate that, just right click on duplicate, and here we are. After that, if you want to just customize this as the circles, let's change the type of this to circles. And here we are. If you want to change the size of each circle according to the sales made, what we will do is just hold this and put it to the size. Hold the sales from the parameter, just put it to the size, and it will be arranged or expanded in the size according to the sales made. But as you can see, it's more or less of a similar size. That's because in each region, similar kind of sales is made overall. And for example, you want to highlight this in different parameters, let's say in sales. So we are going to hold the sales and put it in the colors. What this will do is it will follow a similar color scheme and it will show it like this. But if you're good with this colors, that's fine as well. After that, if you want to change the symbols, instead of circles, you want to use some other shapes, you can just move it from the marks. Just choose an other symbol like shape and just choose any kind of shape here. Let's choose cross that highlights different regions. And here is how you can do it. You can change it to stars, plus, squares, whatever you want. So this is how you can create the maps with symbols in Tableau. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.